Oh, hi! Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I'm doing a challenge today, but it's not really going to be that much of a challenge.
It's going to be a joy.
It's going to be wonderful because I'm going to eat like Chef AJ today.
Woo!
I'm very excited to do this. I consider her my mentor. She's a wonderful person. She has a wonderful way of eating, and I have been following it for the last 5 or 6 months, and I'm down 37 pounds and keeping it off. So I would like to lose a little bit more, but right now I'm enjoying the ride a lot. So she doesn't typically eat a breakfast. She has a bag of steamed kale for breakfast. I need more than that.
So you're already changing it?
No, but I am using like a recipe out of her book.
Okay.
So I'm going to have a veggie stir fry. And by stir fry, I'm not going to fry it. I'm just going to saute it without oil. I've already cut up 3 small russet potatoes. These were very small. And I air fried these for about 10 minutes. Just because potatoes take a little bit longer. You don't want to have a crunchy potato. So I just started it off in the air fryer. And then here I have some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, a summer squash cut up, and half of a red pepper. And I'm going to have it with her favorite condiment, salsa. This is a green salsa from Mrs. Renfro's. I love the new packaging. I'm such an advertiser's dream. Put me in a focus group. I'll tell you exactly what I think. So I'm going to get my pan hot over here. Give that a minute to warm up. I'm going to saute the wet vegetables first so that I don't have to add any water to the pan because these are going to give off water and they're not going to stick. Then I'm going to add the potatoes in for the last couple minutes, and we're going to have a wonderful, satisfying, warm, comforting breakfast. I usually have, you guys have seen what I usually have for breakfast. I usually have a cup of starch and, whatever's left over, like I've been eating the fried rice or the pasta, and a bag of frozen vegetables. So this is similar because I'm having the potatoes. It's more food than I would normally eat, which is fine. I'm a hungry girl in the morning. What can I say? All right, let's get these in. Yeah, the sizzle though. All right, I'm not going to bore you with this because it's going to take a few minutes.
We'll be back.
We'll meet back here.
Wow, that smells wonderful.
Honestly, it only took a couple minutes, and I'm not giving up my coffee because this is what I will be if nobody needs Janet with a headache. So this just took a few minutes. The last minute or two, I threw in the potatoes just to reheat them. They were pretty well cooked. I'm just going to add my salsa to the pan now, because I don't like cold condiments on hot food, and the moisture from this will also help the little bits come off the bottom of the pan, even though this is a non-stick pan. So I'm just going to give this a mix, and then we're going to plate it over here in one of my favorite bowls. We are the bowl family.
Yeah.
We really love our bowls. We eat dinner in bowls, breakfast in bowls, desserts in bowls. Oh, that looks so lovely.
Yum.
And when I say that she eats a bag of steamed kale for breakfast, she also has a second breakfast later on, which is like the starch portion, like either oatmeal or, something like that. So it's not just like she's eating a bag of kale.
Right.
Because I think she goes to work out in between. But boy, wouldn't you like to have a nice bowl of that for breakfast?
That's beautiful.
Oh, can't wait to dig in.
You can really see the steam coming off too.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Let's see.
Don't burn.
I know.
That salsa is quite potent, delicious smelling.
I definitely don't eat enough potatoes.
Yeah.
This is so good.
Yeah, it smells very good.
Oh my god. Would you like to try it?
Maybe just a bite.
Alright. Let me get you a fresh spoon. I'll let you choose. I'm not a mama bird feeding a baby bird.
I hope not.
It is a little spicy, so.
Am I going to burn my mouth off?
No, just give it a good blow.
Okay. Mmm. Very tasty.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
You could eat, if you were on the maintenance phase or you wanted more of a substantial meal, you could throw some tofu in there.
Yeah.
Gee, this is kind of like a recipe in our book.
Very tasty.
The tofu scramble in the air fryer.
Yeah.
Because we had potatoes and peppers and tomatoes.
Mm-hmm. Is this medium?
It's spicy.
It's
She's a lightweight.
What can I say?
All right, well, this is breakfast. Thanks, Chef AJ. It looks delicious.
Bon appetit.
All right, it's lunchtime, and
Lunchtime.
I was completely full from breakfast. I'm still a little full. That was a lot of food, but it was delicious. I was shocked at how delicious and filling and how much that satisfied me. So I'm doing classic AJ lunch, right?
Yes.
She eats this every single day for lunch. I couldn't find the sweet potatoes that she gets though, the Hannah yam, so I'm eating these batatas, which is a white inside sweet potato, so I'm hoping that they're at least comparable. They look really good, they smell good.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like they held up pretty well, so maybe this is going to be as good as hers.
Try a little bite.
Yeah, why don't you dip it in the yummy sauce? I also made her yummy sauce, and
Let's see.
that's basically cannellini beans.
It smells really good.
Oh, thank you. Some mustard, some lemon juice,
Ooh.
some garlic, some
It's like a honey mustard.
dates. Yeah, it's like a honey
Really good.
mustard. Ho ho. Yeah. Your plate's already in the microwave.
Oh yeah.
I think you tried to steal my plate. And I've got my broccoli steaming over here. So she eats 3 pounds of food for lunch. After that breakfast, I don't know if I can eat 3 pounds.
Do your best.
I didn't weigh anything, so I'm not quite sure. I think that amount of broccoli is like 1 pound though. That's a lot of broccoli.
That's a lot of broccoli.
And this is 2 medium potatoes, so I'm assuming it's like 1.5, 2 pounds maybe.
Okay.
It's probably just short of 2 pounds. And then she likes salsa. I had salsa this morning, so that's why I made the yummy sauce.
The sauce is really good.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to try it. You don't call something yummy sauce for nothing.
Yeah, it's gotta live up to the name.
Yeah, and it is. And I'm gonna have this on my salad tonight too, because I decided that for dinner tonight, everybody else is having pizza night. I'm gonna have a chopped salad, which is one of her other go-to dinner dishes. I'm gonna put some rice in mine, and I'm also gonna put some, I think, roasted eggplant in mine. All right, here's lunch, plated. I'll come back for this if I'm still hungry. It is really good. I hope that's the one that she eats all the time, because it tastes like how she describes it. Like it tastes kind of vanilla-y, kind of like a cake. It's very sweet, but it's not like the orange ones. It's a little bit different. It's more vanilla-y. The sauce is out of this world. Maddie can't stop raving about it, and I'm dipping everything into it. This isn't all of the broccoli. I left it in there because I couldn't wait.
That sauce is out of control.
It's really good. All right. I still
Enjoy
got
your lunch.
still got all that in there too.
You gotta eat all that?
I don't think it's gonna happen.
That's crazy.
It's delicious though. It's dinner time, and tonight I'm having ye old chopped salad.
Oh.
So celery, cukes, red pepper, tomato, carrot, red onion. It's all in there. Cabbage. I have some leftover rice that I'm going to dump in there as well. I just heated that up in the microwave. I just made a complete mess over here.
As one does.
And I just got back from the vet with a very big bill, so I'm treating myself to some olives. You can have those 4.
Oh, thank you.
And since I like this so much, I'm going to use it again, the yummy sauce.
That sauce is...
It slaps.
Yeah.
I was going to do the roast eggplant, but it's late already because the vet appointment was late. So I'm just going to have this. And this is a giant bowl of food. I hope I can finish it. I did not finish the broccoli and...
you put up a good fight.
I ate 3/4 of the potato and about half the broccoli. So more power to you, Chef AJ. I don't know how you do it. You beat me in an eating contest. Also, we have a sneak peek for later. I made Chef AJ's snickerdoodles.
Looking
so
good.
I'm excited to try these. Yes, they feel nice.
Hi.
I had the tiniest piece of the dough, and it was Chef's Kiss delicious.
Chef AJ's kiss.
Chef AJ's kiss, delicious. Delicious. We made it. That was a lot of eating.
Yeah.
That was a lot of
Good
eating.
food too.
Delicious. Everything was absolutely delicious. It just took me a long time to eat everything because there was such big portions.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't eat everything. But it's dessert time, and I decided that I was going to make Chef AJ's snickerdoodles.
Yum.
Probably not as good as hers. I didn't put, I didn't weigh my dates, so I probably didn't put enough dates, so my mixture was really dry.
Mm-hmm.
But I did add a little bit of oat milk to it, and I think they came out pretty good.
Why don't you give one a try? Ooh.
They're kind of dry on the outside.
Lovely.
Nice on the inside.
Yeah? Okay.
Want to try them?
Well, I'm going to have some, yeah.
Okay. Delicious. So I'm going to enjoy a couple of these. And we made it. Looks like we made it.
Yeah. Go us.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed the food today. I'm going to be making all of the recipes in her book. Maybe not on YouTube, but for myself. So thanks for watching, guys. You are awesome. I hope you check out her book, check out her channel. She's a great person.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of great information on there. And subscribe for more if you want to see. Let me know what you want to see. I'll entertain just about anything right now.
Well, I don't know about that.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. And until next time, much love.